Do you have hip pain while you're sleeping? This is how you get rid of it. You're going to use a bolster, and you simply put it up on the bed, sit next to it. As you lay down, you swing your legs over. You want your knees in the middle of the bolster, and then roll yourself back onto these pillows. Once here, put a little bit of traction. My hands are just like this, and I have my head resting. I'm just hanging out, resting. There's no pulling, nothing hard, and you just slide your hands up. Just the weight of your head is enough traction for your neck and upper back. From here, shoulders down, externally rotated, palms up or on the chest. I started here and I let my knees roll out. I'm not spreading my legs wide. I'm simply starting with my feet straight up, knees rolled out. That's external rotation of the hips. That unloads the pelvis, decompresses the lumbar spine. This position takes all the pressure off of your pelvis. When you sleep on your side, you have the ball and you have the socket of your hip joint. Biggest joint in the body. So you got a ball and a socket. When you sleep on your side, that is being compressed for all the hours you're asleep. That compression hurts over time. So you may have been able to sleep on your side for a long period of time, many years, and now it's bothering you. Well, compression over time has built up to the degree that you're getting pain. Some people will move to the floor so that their hips don't hurt when they sleep. Why does that work? Because on the floor, you won't be likely to sleep on your side because of all the pressure of a hard floor. So you automatically sleep on your back. This works better and is more comfortable than the floor many, many times. This position actually decompresses more than just your hips. So it's going to give your knees relief, your hips, your lumbar spine, your mid-back, your neck, and with your arms externally rotated, your chest stays open, so it fights all the stuff we do all day to get us in this position. So you can actually decompress your entire body while you sleep. It's a passive therapeutic position, so all the bad input, gravity, compression over time, is going to be slept away. You get to have therapy while you're sleeping. The more hours in this position, the better you will feel because you're slowly decompressing all the joints that have started to bother you over time. If you need more help, you can click the links in the description and we can give you personalized attention in our online community.